JoinMe is one simple tool that can be used for small conference webinar kinds of things. Sometimes we use it to share, to see what's going on another person's screen where they start the meeting. Other times we present by starting the meeting and then share out to our audience. You click on Start Meeting and it downloads a little application that needs to be installed. Mine's been installed already, so I find that in my Applications folder, click Join Me, which starts it, and once I click Share My Screen, then it gives me a number. It's also upgrading me for free there, but ignoring that, it gives me a number that then I can send to my participants. I can give them that number over the phone in an email, or I can use their little link that shows, sends them an email. I quickly email my coworker. And then they're able to join as soon as they get that number. And rather than clicking the Share My Screen, they click the Join Screen. Once my participants get the number for which to join, then they join, and I can see in that with the little head icon who's on, and I can they can at this time see my screen once they've joined the conference. I can demonstrate whatever I want. I have the ability to use chat so that I can chat with them, or a co-pilot person could do that. I could chat with an individual or with everybody, and they can chat amongst themselves. Notice that I can also have a co-presenter, so I could share the mouse control. I could also hand it over to my participants and allow them to operate and demonstrate, so you could have some collaborative work that would happen there. You can pass a presenter role, so you could see somebody else's computer. There are some other tools there, such as annotating and marking up the screen. There's some tools for that. Just to show you one, you can draw on your screen to indicate or highlight a certain area, and there's some other tools there. Some of those features are pro features that cost just a little bit more. To exit a meeting, to end the meeting, you just click on End or Exit, and that's all there is to that. From the audience perspective, this is what a user would see. They get the little green icon, and they see everything that's going on my screen as I show it to them. They can still move their own mouse, but they can see me moving my mouse as I'm pointing out things on the screen. If I start chat, then they can see that I've got chat going on. They can move that window. Notice that then I can give them control of the mouse. Then they can move the windows around and identify what they're showing. So it can be an interactive session, not just one person. With certain features, you can even they can even demonstrate their own part as well. Once I've taken back that control, then I can once again, as an audience member, just see what's being done on screen, not maneuver it myself. I can add to the chat, ask questions. Or I can just use the audio to speak. And when the session is over, it just closes. It says the meeting is over.